Rocket Bat here. Hi guys, it's another rocky day in the jungle, and as Bad Chad would say, it's Friday! Alright guys, I've been over here working on the little S10 project, and I have, let's see here, I have got the filler panel for up in here. It's pretty rotted out up underneath this zone. So what I'm going to do is this is going to slide right up underneath here, and then I'm going to weld the deal. Now, there's a seal that goes here that will come back to about here. So none of this has to be perfect and everything, but that's how I'm going to fix this spot. Got a couple of holes over here. I'm probably going to try to just weld these up and see if that solves it. Rest of the thing looks pretty good except for down here. And then I'll do the same thing I did over here. Now, I did get my little corner worked into today, and I made my little patch panel like we talked about. What I did was cut this in the angle, the corner out of it. Then I put another piece of metal, bent it the angle I wanted, and then I welded the two together. And then after I welded the two together, I went on the inside and I welded on the inside. That left me enough meat where I could roll this edge. And I have fit it in there as best I can get it, and I think it's pretty good. I still got a little area right here that I got to repair after I weld this whole section in. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Again, this isn't hypercritical on it being exactly perfect, but I do like to try to get it as good as I can get it so that, you know, just try to do the best you can when you're doing something. So for the rest of the day, I'm going to be working on this, and I'm going to weld this thing in there, get it ground out and all, and maybe tomorrow we'll have all this done, and we can see what I got, you know, moving forward, I guess you could say. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Yeah, I don't know anything else to talk about other than that. That's what we're working on. So, as usual, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking, because I got some grinding it down to do. Talk to y'all next time.